Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming the carrier voicemail service is active. This is necessary for Redmi to connect. Once done, open the phone app and tap the voicemail icon or press and hold 1 to call voicemail. You'll be prompted to enter a PIN if required. Enter it now. Make sure to listen for the prompts and follow options for greeting changes. This first step gets the line connected and authenticates you, so subsequent setup is stored on the network. Now you'll navigate the voicemail menu to record greetings and adjust options. Once connected, choose the greeting option and record a concise personal greeting. Speak slowly and stop after 30 seconds. Make sure to change the default PIN to a secure number you remember and enable notification preferences so you get alerts for new messages. If your carrier and Redmi support visual voicemail, enable it in phone app settings to see messages listed and play them without dialing. To finish, learn to manage messages. Play, save, delete, or call back directly from the voicemail list. Once done, check phone app settings for storage and notification behavior so messages don't get lost. If you can't access voicemail, contact your carrier to reset the PIN. That fixes most access issues. If visual voicemail won't load, toggle mobile data or Wi-Fi, restart the Redmi, and try again. This simple network reset resolves many loading problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.